Putting the brakes on, understanding this idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, put the brakes on. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. The phrase, put the brakes on, originates from the literal action of applying brakes in a vehicle to slow down or stop. Metaphorically, it means to slow down or stop a process, activity, or situation. It's often used when someone wants to cautiously assess a situation or halt an action that might be heading in an undesirable direction. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. 1. In a work context. We need to put the brakes on this project until we get more clarity on our budget. 2. In personal life. I decided to put the brakes on my travel plans due to the unexpected weather conditions. 3. In social situations, when the discussion started getting heated, the moderator put the brakes on the debate to calm things down. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in various contexts. When using put the brakes on, it's important to remember that it's typically used in more serious or cautious contexts. Avoid using it in situations that are light-hearted or where the action is positive and welcomed. For instance, saying, I put the brakes on my birthday party plans, might imply that you're not happy about the celebration, which could be misleading. Other idiomatic expressions that carry a similar meaning include, hold your horses. This also means to wait or slow down, but it's often used in more informal and urgent contexts. Pull the plug. This phrase implies a complete stop or termination of an activity, often abruptly. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your English communication skills. And that's a wrap on Put the Brakes On. I hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your language skills. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to put the brakes on confusion by asking questions. See you in the next video.